shorts. Now we're going to deliver on our promise, and we're going to showcase some very famous people who first failed at what they loved.
J.K. Rowling.
How she failed.
Many years ago, there was a woman named Jo who lived in Scotland. Jo loved to write.
I just love to write.
She got up every morning and found something to write about.
That's really interesting. I might write about that.
After finishing her first story about a boy named Harry Potter, she wanted to share it with the world. Jo took her book to the best publishers across England. All of them rejected her novel.
We reject your novel.
Poor Jo.
How she overcame her fears and succeeded.
Well, our Jo didn't give up. She asked her agent to keep trying because she was confident in the story she had written.
Keep trying, agent.
Even though she sometimes felt confused by the rejection, she pushed forward. After a year of trying, a publisher in London finally accepted her story and she published her novel under the name J.K. Rowling. She finally got to see her novel in stores and in children's hands.
I can see my novel in stores and children's hands.
She wrote a whole series of books about Harry Potter because Rowling believed in herself.
I believed in myself.
Good on you, Jo. Be like Jo.
Lady Gaga.
How she failed.
There was once a girl named Stephanie who grew up in New York City. Welcome to New York City. When she was only 5 years old, she could play whole songs on the piano. When Stephanie was older, she started performing her music. In time, a record label signed a contract with her.
We want to sign a contract with you.
Unfortunately, the label decided not to record her songs.
But we don't want to record your songs.
Stephanie felt defeated.
I feel defeated.
Then she remembered that from a young age, all she wanted was to be a musician.
I only ever wanted to be a musician.
So she kept on working, writing lyrics, playing piano, and singing her songs. Soon she got her big break. You might know Stephanie by her stage name, Lady Gaga.
I want to be known as Lady Gaga.
When you hear her name, you probably think of a famously successful and talented pop icon, but she'll tell you herself that success is difficult.
Success is difficult.
The bumpy road to reach her success was worth as much to her as achieving her goals.
The bumpy road to success was worth as much to me as achieving my goals.